Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we learn the share preference in Android. So let us start. First, I share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better way my video lecture. And here Eclipse ADT bundle I already open and window that is Android Virtual Device Manager, and we can select our AVD and start and launch. So when we can design and coding our apps, so our device is ready. So yes, that very short our device is appear. So yes, complete the process. Now I close this window, and yes, now very yes that device is launched. So we can take as minimize and in file menu, new Android application project, and here we can give the name of project. So share, yes, that is preference pref, that folder, that name is already exist, so we can say that demo. So that is also existing. So what to do? So yes, that I give the short, yes, sp demo, share preference demo, that is name. So yes, but here we have to change our workspace folder. So that is in laptop, in this laptop, the app drive, yes, here app drive, and we can select the Android demo. Yes, that is our main workspace folder. And now again, if not here red sign, so you cannot type again, but here that giving the error. So we can sp demo, again we have to type the same name. Okay, so that is apps for icon and background color. Next, blank activity, perfect selected. Main activity, that is Java file, and activity underscore main, that is XML based file in Android. So that is finish. So that takes some process, and after complete that the process, that apps is create. So you can look here in status bar. Yes, now that is very fast, that apps is create. So yes, it's, that is a text view. So I select and delete. And now we can take some two field. Yes, first, what is a share preference? So you mind you, that is question. So share preference is a technique, first technique in the storage API or storage. We can say that method, or we can say that storage option techniques. So many word used. So that is a first technique. There are five technique in storage API in Android. So first is a share preference, then second is a internal storage, third is a external storage, then SQLite database, fourth and fifth is a network connection. So share preference we have to learn in this session, and that is a key and that value appropriate. So that is a like hash table in Java. So we can write only primitive data type, and that is a create the XML file. Yes, that is a automatically that file is create, and we can uh, pull from the device, and we can see that file also. So I cover also this how to you can pull your file from the our device, that emulator, and how to watch. You can open in the notepad, internet explorer. So that is a creating XML file. So now we can start first our step, that is designing. So yes, here text fields, we can write two field information of student. So first is roll number. So I take one edit text, and second is a plan. So here there is a different type of, you can look here, that is a password, email IDs, all different type of edit text is there. So here we can take two edit text and one button to write our file. Yes, so one button. So we can write that two information in our Excel file using share preference. So primitive data type you have to write. Yes, that is a goal of share preference. Yes, here that is a ETXT RNO, that is a ID of first year, that is a input type is number. And now what to do? So Android, and that is a hint. So what is a use of hint attributes or property? You can say that. So that is a like placeholder when we can. So that is guide to student like tooltip. Same way here use in Android as a hint. So that is a display in gray color, and we can type our our user input, so that is a disappear. So perfectly. And then next, that is our ID EXTNM. So that is a name of the student, and here you can look, that is a previous ID is refer. So yes, let us, we can first change the button ID. So BTN, and that is a write. So I give the write ID. So BTN is a prefix, so, and here we can give the write. So write the file, or you can use also save word. Yes. So now Android, and then we can say that text color. So that is a hash sign, and we can say that 00F, capital FF, and 00. And then yes, so some decoration means layout. So text style is there. So we can define is a bold. Yes. And now what to do? So we can also write the event of button. So directly we have to write on click event. Yes. So that is a button. And then on click event, so we can give the btn write underscore click. So that is a, but here I previously told here that previous ID. So what is, yes, our design is disturbed. You can look here. So both edit text is overlapping. So what to do? So yes, here we can provide perfect our ID. So that is a, we have to change etxtrm. So here you can also change, and that here next, that is a below. So etxt, yes, etxtrm. So exactly our roll number, that is a input type, that edit text, and below that is a name. So here id is a this edit text, and but it's itself id is a etxt name. So perfect. Now let us check. You can look now perfect our designing, and we can also use the hint property in our second edit text. So here that is a placeholder, so hint, and that is a student name type. Okay, so you can recognize roll number and name, or you can only give the name. And now what to do? So here that is a wrap content with. So we can control pace bar. So fill parent, match, and wrap. So match parent, and same here second, and then match parent. So save, control S, and look now the design. So here now we can as our activity size of that edit text, same, that is a roll number. Yes, perfectly. So our design is ready. Yes, and one time you have to check. Yes, that is a green line, not linking with this button, because that is a relatively low. So that is just no any error. It's no any otherwise typecasting error. So that is a relatively low. So yes, our first step is complete. That is our design part. Perfect. We have to, that is only two field information we have to write in the XML file using the share preference, and that is a technique of first storage API. And you can say that option, method, and technique. And we can write only just primitive data type like integer, float, double, long, integer, string, boolean, that all data type. And we can use the share preference class and editor class. So two class we have to use, and contact class is also used in this session. So that is a mode of the contact class. So now yes, here source package, and I expand, and we can open a main activity.java file. That is our main file. We can write the code. So first, which code? So we can take two edit text, because we have to use two edit text. So ERNO, and that is a ENM. That is our two edit text. And now we can first class reference, that is a share preference. So that is a we can say that share. Yes, so share preference, and that is a content class, that whole class. So automatically that package is input, and we can provide sp, that is a reference. And now we can define, that is a public, static, and final keyword. So that is a hash table. So we can give the key value in the string. Yes, let us check. So that is a string data type, and that like my file, and that is uppercase. That is a public static constant variable. Always you have to no, that is a one tradition, because here normal our reference is small letter, and public static final that variable is we can write in uppercase. Now value is a we can say that student, so that student XML file is created, and now we can write two field of students. So I copy this because all that key and that value is right. So we can provide here like that is a 101, and here I give the name of the student static, and we can change, yes, here that is in uppercase, so RNO, yes, and here is a name, so NM, yes, that is our key. So perfectly. Now what to do? So yes, that all error is gone. So how many field you have to write? First, that is give the file name in public static final string, and here integer. Yes, roll number is integer, but that key is a string, but value is integer. So you can look. So all key float boolean. So you can give in key is a string data type, and that value you can provide that appropriate data type. So all key in the string, that is my you have to perfect way how to explain to I. So here all key you can always define in string data type. That is my saying. So I think you have to understand. So now what to do? So here we can take first, yes, ERNO, and this caps lock is on. So ERNO, and that is I full screen, so you can watch better way. So here we can take ID from r.java file. So find you, that is a method of activity class, and r.id.etxt So our edit text 2 and that button all ID refer to in this help library. And then here that find view by ID return data type is view class. So we can need the typecasting. So perfectly, and now same process. So now I can copy this line and paste. So here that is a etext name field, and here we can enn, that is our student name. So complete, and now we can write the button click. So public void dn write underscore click. So and we can pass the parent, that is a view class, and reference, so that is argument. So we can provide in package android.view package. So error is clear, and now what to do? So first we can handler as a sp is a share preference, and now we can use as a get share preference and get preference. There are two methods. First, and that is a get preference method is a activity class, but get share preference is a context wrapper class. Yes, you can look in the tooltip. So here context wrapper. So we can use this get share preference. And now there are two value we can pass. So first is a file name. Automatically our that keys appear. So here we can type, yes. So here first is we can provide the key. So you can look here file name. So that perfectly, and mode. So mode provided by the context class. So context dot mode, yes, you can look. So here there are 6 modes. So mode underscore append, that is a you can write existing data. So new data, that time mode underscore append mode you have to use, that is a public static final. So all are in uppercase, means capital. So mode underscore enable write underscore ahead underscore logging. So with logging you can write some data. Mode underscore multi underscore process, so you can write multi-purpose any file. Mode underscore private, so within a one application. Mode underscore word underscore readable, so outside your application you can give the permission read your file. And write, yes, mode underscore word underscore writable, so you can give the write permission to outside your application. So we can work in within the application, so I use mode underscore private. And now yes, semicolon, so that perfectly. Now second step we can use as editor class. So you can look here that android.content.share preference package, that hold the editor class, and we can provide sp.edit method, that is a hold the share preference. So that file and that give the write some data. So here we can use three class, share preferences, and contact class, and editor class. And now e dot e for that is editor, and we can put. So you can look all primitive data type, put boolean, put float, put integer, put long, put string, and put string, but set of the number of string. So that is a put string is overloaded, and so that type of data you have to write. So first is a we have to write integer, so that you can look our all that public static that variable file name to field, so we can provide RNO. So here I previously told you that all key you can define in the public static final, because that is a like hash table in Java. So now what to do? So here that is a ext rno, and that yes here our erno, yes, that is our id. So get text, that is a set text, and get text, that is a method, and that string. So but here one error is created, because why? So here that is a string written, but we can write put in integer data. So that is we can use some type casting. So we can use integer wrapper class in Java, and that is pass int. So we can all that parenthesis taking this all edit text and here provide, so error is gone. And now same, that is a put string. So you can see that put string, and here we can name. So here there is no required to type casting, because that is a put string, that method is a string, and our edit text is also written the string. So enm, and that is same get text and to string. So that is a second field we have to write in our student XML file, that is automatically created. And now yes, e dot commit, yes, that is a method, and return type is a boolean. You can look here editor class, so we can commit, and we can also take as a boolean as a handler, and answer I can give. So we can verify, yes, validation. So yes, answer is true. So we can use as a message to post class. So make text method get application context, and now here we can say that file is saved. Yes, that type of message. And here yes, toss dot short or long. So I give the long, and that is also public static constant, because that is uppercase. So you can look here, we can write in ourselves here that mode is public static constant, and here toss class is there are two member, and that is also defined as a public static final. So public static and final keyword, so that is a we can write in uppercase. So default, that is a we can use inbuilt class also that write in uppercase. So we can also define our all key in string data type, and uppercase we have to write. Okay, so here in message I have to change. So we can say that error in file, or write the file time error, that type you have to give any suitable message. So yes, we have to already, yes, here double equal sign. So that is warning is gone. I save. Now our complete that coding part. So here very simple way we have to write only two field. You can also write like 3, 4, 5 that depend upon your requirement. So like student roll number, name, gender, that is string, put string, then standard, that is spinner. You can also write put string, and then hobby, so you can also write in the put string. So that is a we can write put, that is a primitive data type only. So after my this session, that we can I can use in the internal storage second technique, and that is we have to write all type of data, and that is a file management in Android. So like C, C++, Java, C Sharp, that is a file management. So here also we can cover the internal storage. So now, yes, our design and coding is complete. So now I can run these apps. So let us run as right click and run as Android application. So yes, our device is already ready, and I open the lock, and here that takes some process. You can look here in status bar. So wait a few seconds, very short, our apps is running or appear so in this device. So now I think at very short time that appear. So yes, here very simple way, that is a share preference technique. We can write a primitive data type. So there are three class we can use. So that is a share preference class, then editor class, and next we can say that that is a contact class. We can use the mode of the contact class. So yes, now yes, yes, you can look here. So that is a yes first roll number. Yes, you can also write the student roll number. That is a hint and gray color. So when we can type that tool hint is disappear. You can look. So now I can write like Krishna. So write, that is a button. Yes, file is saved. So very simple way. After save, you can also clear these two edit text. That is possibility. So I minimize, and now how to see our file. Yes, that is very important in Android. So you can write the steps. So window, yes, first step, window menu, yes, that is a open perspective. And here that is a one tools, DDMS, that is a full form, Dalvik Debug Monitor Server. So that is I click, so that one window is appear. And now here that is a SP, so that is a share preference. I select, and here so many tab, thread, heap, uh, allocation tracker, network statistical, and file explorer I select. So file explorer, you can select the data. Yes, here data folder, and then again yes here data, and again you can select the data. So data to under data folder, and then you can go down and select your application name. So here we can select that is same in the here you can look SP. So share preference I give the short, and here that is automatically share underscore PRE folder is created, and then expand. Yes, you can look here student.xml file is created automatically. So I select, and how to see. So here there are top right corner, there are two buttons, pull a file from the device and push a file onto the device. So that is a left and right. So here pull from, we can extract our file from the device. So and here you can look there are two tabs, left means Java and DDMS. So I select the Java, so we can come back to this our design and coding. So and when I click in the DDMS, so we can come back to here. So I pull, yes, pull a file. So I click, so that you can save anywhere, and you can also change that name. But I give the same name, and I save in the desktop. You can save in your application apps name. Also save any folder drive. You can select to here, yes, app drive or anywhere. So I save in the desktop. Yes, save. So file is saved. Now how to close this? Yes, that is very important. So right click, that is a DDMS, yes, and close that option. So I think you have to know very well. So I close. So yes, how now I can open the our file. You can look here, student, and there are two. I double click, so that is opening Internet Explorer. So you can look here, that file is open. So you can look here how that is a XML version 1 encode UTF universal transfer format and standalone true map tag string name Ram and Krishna, that is a default name we can provide, declare time, and here we can provide in edit text id integer that after 101 but our value is 1. So and you can also right click here and open in the notepad. Yes, I open with, yes, that is option, and here you can look notepad. So that is the same way you can open here notepad. So yes, a very simple way here, that is the same thing. So you can open in also notepad. So now I hope you can understand and enjoy this session very simple way I can explain. So yes, I just sum up my, so first I take the design of these apps. So student roll number and name. Yes, that is a roll number. So I change that is a student roll number. Yes. So student you have also find. Yes, very simple way. So that is a roll number. So I think you have to understand. So that is our design to edit text and one button. So we can change that ID and provide the hint property, and with is a match parent in both edit text and button. We can change the ID, and on quick event and text colors, text style, and text we have to change. And then we can go in the coding part, Java file, and take the first two reference edit tags and share preference variable and three key value file name and two over field. And first we can on create method we can take the id from r.java file, get the permission, and button click event we can use the get share preference, that is contact wrapper class, and two arguments. So first is our file name and second is a mode. So contact class there are 6 mode, and we can provide the sp, so that is a share preference reference variable. And then sp.edit editor class and e.put all put integer float string boolean, so that all primitive data first is key and that appropriate value. So here integer, so we can type integer dot fuzint wrapper class, and here there is no need because that is a get stacks and here put string, so both are matched. And commit, and that commit method return is boolean, so if true, so our file is saved, and that return false, so error in the file. So now I hope you can understand and enjoy this session. So very simple way we can explain. Yes, and here you can also clear that how to clear. Yes, that is also we can write. So how, yes, here after we can write our data, and that is you can set that is ERNO, and that is a set text. Yes, so you can look here set text and double quote blank. So nm them saying that is a method of set text and double quote blank. So after our field is right and we can clear. So now I can run last time. So let us how to clear. So yes, I save, and yes, here that is a previous output. So wait, and that our new output is appear very short time. So yes, so previous output is gone, and now we have to change so our code. So you can first save and then compile. So new that is a updated our apps is running. So very short time that our apps is running. So yes, here that process is complete after our apps is. So yes, here, yes, now that appear. So you can look student roll numbers. So I print like 9 or any number roll number, and then I give the like ja or any name. So right. So you can look here. That is a file is saved, and both that is a clear and our hint is appear. So very perfect way. So how, yes, I revise the step in window, open perspective, DDMS tools. Yes, we can pull the file form again because that is a new data, right? So SP demo, file explore, that is step I revise. So file explore you can select, then data folder, then again you can select the data folder, and then your application or package you can say that same name. So sp demo expand, and then your share preference pre students file name is same, pull from the device. Yes, now I save. Yes, that saves all right because that file is already there. So now I close. Yes, here how to close. So right click, and that is a two tab. So close. So I revise all that step, and look now I open in directly in Notepad. So open with, and that is a Notepad. So you can look here. That is a change the value. So that is a Pooja, and that is a roll number is 9. That is a default value. We can assign as a declare time to our variable. So you can look here. That is a declaration time. We can provide the value. So yes, I think enjoy this session. Very what is a share preference, how it's work. I cover all that and how to clear. I think very simple way. Set text you can blank double quote. So that is clear. So yes, subscribe my channel Ashok Sikalakuni, press the bell icon to never miss any update, and thanks for your watching, supporting and sharing my video lecture, and Hare Krishna.